Hello my dear students, today I am going to explain trigonometry part 10. Trigonometry part 10. In this we will learn what sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta, tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta, cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta, cosec theta is equals to sec 90 minus theta, sec theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta. Now first we will make it as, first we will take one triangle and we will name it as ABC, and we are using the theta in this one, we are using theta, as the acute angle, okay. Now if you are using the theta as the acute angle in this one, theta opposite to this one, it is opposite side, it is adjacent, and it will be the hypotenuse. See, another angle it is forming 90 minus theta. How it is forming 90 minus theta? See, if one of the angle it is given in the right angle triangle, in right angle triangle one angle compulsory it will be 90 degrees. Another angle if it is given 75 degrees and asking us to find out the third angle, what you will do? 90 degrees minus 75 is equals to 15. You will take 15 degrees, okay, like that. Sum of these two, how much it should be? It should be 90 degrees. One it is given theta, another it will be 90 minus theta, 90 minus theta. Now here what is opposite here? Opposite is equals to, opposite is AB, okay. Adjacent is how much? BC, and hypotenuse is equal to AC. Hypotenuse is AC. Now we will go for the sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, okay. Sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite here? AB by hypotenuse is how much? AC, that is opposite by hypotenuse, okay. Next, cos theta is equals to cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is how much? BC by hypotenuse is AC, that is adjacent by hypotenuse. Next, cos finish. Next, tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite by adjacent side, opposite by adjacent. Next, tan finish. Next, cot theta. Cot theta is equals to how much? Cot theta is equals to adjacent by opposite, adjacent side. What is adjacent side? BC by opposite is how much? AB, adjacent by opposite side. Next, cot finish. Next, cosec theta is equals to cos hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse is how much? AC by opposite is how much? AB, hypotenuse by opposite, okay. Next, sec theta is equals to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Adjacent is what? BC, that is hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side, okay. Next, for this triangle we are using 90 degrees minus theta, okay, using 90 minus theta. If you are using 90 minus theta, opposite is this one, adjacent is this one, hypotenuse is this one. Then opposite, what is opposite here? Opposite is BC, okay. Next, adjacent is how much? AB, and hypotenuse is how much? Hypotenuse is equals to AC. Hypotenuse is how much? AC. Now what we have to do? Sin 90 degrees minus theta. Sin theta is equals to sin theta opposite by, what is opposite? BC, and hypotenuse is how much? AC. Then cos theta is equals to cos 90 degrees minus theta. Cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? AB by hypotenuse AC. Next, tan 90 degrees minus theta. Tan 90 tan 90 minus theta, tan 90 minus theta, opposite by adjacent side. What is opposite in that one? In this one, what is opposite? BC. Adjacent is how much? AB. Like that. Cot 90 degrees minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta, adjacent by opposite. What is adjacent in this one? AB. Opposite is how much? BC. Next, cosec 90 degrees minus theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta, hypotenuse by opposite. What is hypotenuse in this one? AC, and opposite is how much? BC. Then sec 90 degrees minus theta. Sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. Okay. What is hypotenuse here? AC. Adjacent is how much? AB. Adjacent is how much? AB. Now we will write it properly in this one. Opposite by hypotenuse. In this one, adjacent side by hypotenuse. In this one, opposite by adjacent side. In this one, adjacent side by opposite. Adjacent side by opposite. Next, in this one, cosec theta, hypotenuse by opposite. Next, hypotenuse by adjacent side. Hypotenuse by adjacent side. If you see it clearly, you will find that sin theta AB by AC. Where is one more AB by AC? AB by AC. Okay. That means these two are equal to each other. These two are equal to each other. Next, BC by AC. BC by AC. These two are equal to each other. Next, AB by BC. AB by BC. These two are equal to each other. BC by AB. BC by AB. These two are equal to each other. Now, cosec AC by AB. AC by AB. These two are equal. Next, AC by BC. AC by BC. AC by BC. Now, okay. First you will use the using theta. This will be the opposite of theta. It will be the opposite side. Okay. Why here 90 minus theta? Because from 90, sum of these two angles should be 90 degrees. One of the angle, if it is given theta, what will be the another angle? Unknown. This is unknown. So 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. Now in this way you will find out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here A, B, C, D, E, F. Now sin theta is equal to AB by AC. Where is equal to AB by AC here? This is B. Okay, B is equal to B. Next, cos BC minus AC, BC by AC, BC by AC, BC by AC, BC by AC, A. Next, tan AB by BC, AB by BC equal to AB by BC, D. Next, BC by AB, BC by AB, BC by AB, C. Next, AC by AB, AC by AB, AC by cosec theta, AC by AB. It should be it should be hypotenuse by adjacent. What is adjacent side is in this one? AB. AB is the adjacent side. AB. Adjacent side. AB. Now, AC by AB, AC by AB, it is F. Next, AC by BC, AC by BC, it is E. It is E. That means sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. Then cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta. Then here I am writing sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta. Okay. Then cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta. Then tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta. Then cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta. Then cosec theta is equals to sec 90 minus theta. Then sec theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta, cosec 90 minus theta, sin theta cos 90 minus theta, cos theta sin 90 minus theta, tan theta cot 90 minus theta, cot theta tan 90 minus theta, cosec theta sec 90 minus theta, sec theta cosec 90 minus theta. That means now by this example you can understand that these are equal. Which one? See, if I am taking the angle theta, what will be the opposite side? Theta opposite to AB. Okay. Here 90 minus theta, one angle I am making 90 minus theta, what will be the opposite? BC. Okay. By this proof we can understand that sin theta is equals to cos 90 minus theta, cos theta is equals to sin 90 minus theta, tan theta is equals to cot 90 minus theta, cot theta is equals to tan 90 minus theta, cosec theta is equals to sec 90 minus theta, sec theta is equals to cosec 90 minus theta. This is the proof for understanding this one. Okay. So everything required some proof to show. Okay. If you understand this one, and one simple method to do, simple way to do, with the sin it will be cos, with the cos it will be sin, with the tan it will be cot, with the cot it will be tan, with the cosec it will be sec, with the sec it will be cosec. So hope everyone understood. Please keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you.